Derald Slack with Honest Public Adjusting, here to answer your questions about public adjusting in the state of Florida. Today's question is, what are the two types of adjusters in Florida? Great question. It's important to know these things. This is actually something we're required to list on our disclosures, so I do have this conversation a lot. It's important that you know what to expect and who you can be speaking with. There are actually three types of adjusters when it comes to homeowner claims. Now, there are all types of insurance claims in the state of Florida, but really what we're talking about here is homeowner claims. And when it pertains to homeowner claims, there are three types of adjusters. You have your staff adjuster or company adjuster. That person is going to work directly for the carrier. They work for the insurance company. When they get their check at the end of the month, it says, carrier name right here, the ones you've heard of. If you've heard a commercial for them, that's an insurance carrier, and the staff is going to work directly underneath them. The second type of adjuster is an independent adjuster. This is someone who works for a third-party carrier that doesn't necessarily work directly for the insurance company, but they are contracted by the insurance company. And we'll go into the reasons why they do that here in just a moment. And then the third kind of adjuster is the public adjuster, which is what I am. Public adjusters work directly for the insured, for the homeowner, for the policyholder. There's some different names for that person, but we work directly for you. We're compensated as a percentage of the claim by you, the homeowner. So we only represent you and your interests. We are completely on your side. Now, there's a couple reasons they may use independent adjusters, and the biggest reason is this. If a company knows, they can generally know how many claims they can expect in a certain zip code in a year. And they know how many claims each adjuster can handle in a year. So they take that, A, they multiply it by B, and they know they need this many adjusters to be on staff. And that's how many people they keep on staff to handle daily claims for water leaks, pipe bursts, things like that. If in the state of Florida, generally it's a hurricane. A hurricane hits a certain area and that claim volume absolutely explodes. Now they have 10, 20, 30 times as many claims as they would have had in a normal month because of that increased claim volume from all the wind damage. They can't hire 30 times as many employees all at once and then fire all of them in 6 months when the claims have gone back down. So they hire these third-party companies who come in and do the adjustment. Those are called independent adjusters. They're used to swell the number of adjusters in the area to get those claims down. So that's what an independent adjuster is. So the answer to the question is there are three. That's going to be your staff adjuster, your independent adjuster, and your public adjuster are the three types of adjusters in the state of Florida. Thank you. Derald Slack with Honest Public Adjusting.